Welcome back, Crammers, to question 23. The diagram shows triangle PQR. Given that PQR is obtuse, work out the area of the triangle PQR, giving your answer correct to three significant figures. When trying to find the area of a triangle which is not a right angle, we can use the formula 1 over 2AB sine C. However, most students use the angle 18 and 4.2 and 1.6. This is not correct. Why? Because AB have to be together and between them is the angle C. We can see here that 4.2 is given, 1.6 is given, and between those is angle P. But we don't have angle P. Notice how if we find angle Q, all the angles inside the triangle is equal to 180. And if we subtract angle R, which is 18, and angle Q, we can find angle P. So let's do that instead. We can use sine rule to find angle Q. So we can see here that sine 18 over 1.6 is equal to sine Q over 4.2. That means Q is equal to sine inverse of 4.2 sine 18 over 1.6. We can put this into a calculator and find our answer. Sine inverse of 4.2 sine 18 close bracket over 1.6 close bracket again gives us 54.21. 54.21. But notice how it says here that the angle PQR is obtuse. Obtuse is when it is greater than 90 degrees. So that means that this value has to be subtracted from 180 to give us our final value. 180 minus 54.21 is equal to 180 minus our answer is 125.79 equals to 125.79. But we are not done there. In the beginning, I said 180 minus angle PQR and angle R should give us angle P. So we need to do that. Angle P, we can write, is 180 minus 125.79 minus angle R, which is 18. So therefore, angle P is equal to 180 minus our answer minus 18 degrees is 36.21. 36.21. And now that we have angle P, we can finally use the equation 1 over 2 AB sine C. So let's try that out. 1 over 2 times A, we can use 4.2 times B, 1.6 sine C, which we found as 36.21. Our final area, we can use a calculator to find out. 1 over 2 times 4.2 times 1.6, close bracket, sine our answer, close bracket, is equal to 1.98. 1.98. And that is already three significant figures. This is given in centimeters, so I can write here centimeter squared. 1.98 centimeter squared. Thanks for watching. Cram, then